Hi there, Tony Maynard here, and I'm at Tony's Insane Bonus Bundle. Today I'm doing a review on Divine Commissions. Secret powerful system revealed for the first time ever. Put $1 in and get $10 out. Hand holding training guide complete newbies to daily cash commissions. So what is Divine Commissions all about? Divine Commissions is a results-backed method that Jonas has been using for months. He is able to credibly turn $1 into $10 every single time he turns on this traffic source. Prices and upsells. Front end Divine Commissions, $12.95. Access the powerful Divine Commission software and training modules. Upsell number 1, Pro version, $27. Downsell, $17. Get more training, case studies, and extra hacks on how to 10x your traffic and get more sales with less effort. Upsell number 2, done for you, $47. Downsell, $37. Why do you do your ads when you can just steal all of Jonas's? Yeah. This upgrade will give you all the proven ads and creatives that Jonas has used to consistently turn $1 into $10. Upsell number 3, unlimited traffic, $97. Downsell, $67. Our sales pages get hit by thousands of buyers every single day. Upsell number 4, traffic mastery, $67. Downsell, $37. Insane value. This all-in-one solution delivers all the traffic anyone could ever need. Upsell number 5, resellers, seller rights, $97. Downsell, $47. Get resell rights to Divine Commissions. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Extremely beginner friendly. Turn $1 into $10 every time. All in one solution. Unlimited buyer traffic. 30,000 case study included. Takes just minutes. All of this is covered by no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. Get Divine Commissions now and get all the bonuses below. Bonus 1, $427.95, Aurora. And get access to Aurora. This is a software program which helps you to get traffic to your pages or to your site through the software. And it's that's what this does. It teaches you how to do that. Okay, so bonus number 2, value $46.95 bonus. Free Instagram traffic hack. This is a video on how to get Instagram traffic to your pages. So yeah. And bonus number 3, $344.95. Facebook. Build your Facebook following fast. Another video on that, on how to do that. And then the bonus number 4, $267, Atomic done for you. This is another hack where you get books on a whole list of niches, which you can use as a bonus to get to build your email list. So this is what that's all about. Okay, bonus number 5, value $197. Take action today. Access all the vendor bonuses. Click the button below now to claim your free insane bonus package before the countdown timer hits 0. And when you do, click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. When you click these yellow buttons, you'll be taken to the sales page. When you pick up Divine Commissions, you'll get an email in your inbox. You click on that email, you'll be taken to your Warrior Plus account, and where you can access your purchase and all your bonuses below under the button, access your purchase button. Okay, so now we move on to the sales page. We'll see what that's about. Here you go. If you go up to the top of the browser, as if you see, wait, stop, don't click off yet. You have qualified for an instant 25% discount. That's what you get. So $12.95 less 25% is what you'll get off. Okay, click here to claim your instant or your discount. So that's what you do. Yep, that's what you do. You click there like that. You claim a discount. That's it. Ah. So you've unlocked now. See, this is it. Click the button below to secure your discount before it expires. Only 12 people will be granted this discount. This is good, isn't it? You see? So, you know, what have I done, you know? So what I've done is the wrong thing, because now I've gone away from the actual sales page. Never mind, we'll just keep going. That's how we go. This is what you do to test it. So this is what you get. So you get it for $6.95 instead of $12.95. See? That's it. See? So there it is there. Right, so I'm going to go back to the sales page now. And back. So put $1 in and hand-holding training guides complete newbies to daily cash commissions. So you saw all the discounts you got. You've seen all that now. So no content creation, no videos, no tech skills, 100% real results. So if you want the discount, all you do is do what I told you to do, and you'll get it for $6.50. So there you go. That's a 50% discount, really. Yeah. Okay. Traffic on tap. Get Divine Commissions, a low one-time price of $12.47. Well, for you, that's $6.50. So there you go with that when you do what I said, you see. Click here to get instant access. So this is all about the proof and everything else, and about the one who doesn't know what they're doing and doesn't know how to do it and all that sort of stuff, or doesn't stick to anything. Anyway, it just becomes digital dust on the computer anyway. So sound familiar? Definitely. One last question. Yes, indeed. The Divine Commission training program. Okay, yeah, you're gonna love it. Love this. So these are all your benefits for that, and you get it for 12. You know, get here to get instant access, one-time secure payment, 30-day money back guarantee. See, so there you go. There you have it. You know, and there's all some more people, images and stuff on what, who is Jonas and why should you listen to him. Here's Jonas' story in his own words. This is Jonas Lindgren. Lindgren, yeah. So look, wait, Divine Commissions has done for Jonas. So 2,000, 20,000 last 30 days, 30 days, last 30 days, 30,000, last month, 39,000. So take a look at this. You know, there's the testimonials, get divine commissions, a low one-time price of $12.47. Well, you know what you have to do if you want to get it for $6.50. I mean, you saw it. I showed you it. You went to the Warrior Plus page for that, so you know what that is, and you can get that for let's get this for $6.50 at the front end. So you got bonuses now. Your bonuses for even faster results. Bonus number 1, direct access to the Divine Commissions Masters, 1997. Bonus number 2, free training on how we made 43,000 in 7 days, 1997. Bonus number 3, free tri-ticket training with 1997. Bonus number 4, unfair advantage in business and life, custom training, value 997. Bonus 5, instant approval to promote divine commissions, value $97. Get divine commissions at a low one-time price, not $197 monthly. Pay just $12.47 and use forever. Well, you can get it for actually front end for $6.50. So if you do what I just showed you at the beginning, 30-day money, unconditional money back guarantee. There you go. Turn $1 to $10 every single time. Amazing return on investment. Zero experience needed. Proof. So all of the laser targeted buyers traffic you need from Google. And yes, here's exactly what you'll get with the Divine Commission Training Program. There it is there. I'll let you read that. And it's the value there, $8,000. Yes, unlock access to 1 billion additional buyers. Yes. So this is a, what do you call this? This is called a bonus, a pre-sell. So that's a pre-seller. So, yep. And Divine Commissions accomplishes what nobody has done before. So a massive opportunity, and all for $12.47. But if you do what I said, it's $6.50. So there you go, to your success. Yeah. So you can pick it up, and these are the guys who are responsible for that. That's Philip Johansson, Dan Kahn, Trevor, and Jonas Lindstrom. And that's the bonus page. So we'll go to the members area and have a look at that now. Okay, so here's the members area. Welcome from Philip, and you can get to you free value on Philip's YouTube here free value on Philip's Instagram here. And you can read that, what it says there. He's given you an invite. So here's your program here. Welcome from Philip, and welcome from Dan Kahn, Philip Johansson. Here's the pro version, done for you version, unlimited traffic version, traffic mastery version, and reseller rights version. See, so, and we're at the dashboard. So, and then there's the 43,000 K in 7 days. Then you got your intro. Oh yeah, that's 43,000 7 days. Then you got your free. Case study. Case study and overview. Intro, overview, case study. And then you've got your main training. Why Google Ads. Finding products to promote. Website intro. How to make your review. Google Ads setup. How to set up your ad. Scaling to 5 figures, and conclusion. And then you've got your upgrades, and then you've got your unannounced bonus as well. And then you've got search through course. Okay, so that's the basically this is a training course. So you just run through that, and you get to know what to do. And if you have any problems, you can get these guys on Instagram. So, and they say that here. Okay. So that's the end of that. That's the review of divine commissions. So we'll go back to the bonus page, my bonus page, and we'll go through the bonuses again one more time, just to show you what you can get, which is going to help you with divine commissions, right? First bonus is Aurora, access to Aurora Pro. Next bonus is free Instagram traffic hack. Bonus 3 is build your Facebook following fast. Bonus 4 is access to Atomic done for you. And bonus 5 is take action today. If you take action today, you access all the vendor bonuses. Okay? And that's what happens when you click on any of these yellow buttons. You'll get an email, and you can click on your email, and it'll take you to your Warrior Plus account, where you'll find a button in your your Warrior Plus account, a green button with your purchase, and below it will be the bonuses. Access your bonuses. Okay, and thank you for sticking with me to the end of my review of the Divine Commissions. You know, and thank you. And if you like this review, press the little notification bell, press like, and subscribe to the channel for the next review. Yeah, and you can find this bonus page in the description of this review, and on the in the description on my channel. Okay, so which will give you the access you need to purchase Divine Commissions. So thank you for going through to the end, and I will see you on the next review. Thank you, and goodbye now.